Hey YouTube, V1 here. Showing you how to put an NES emulator on your iPod Touch / iPhone, so you can play games like Mario and Zelda and all the old school games. Alright, you can go to our iPods first. We're gonna go to Cydia and go to search bar and type in NES. Here it is right here. Alright, NES, as you can see. There's a little picture of a mushroom icon next to it. Mine says modify because I already have it installed, but just go ahead and install that first. And this is probably the simplest emulator to put in. I'm just gonna, put my iPod down for now. And we're gonna come to our computer. Alright, so once you have NES on your computer, you're gonna go to Mozilla Firefox or whatever internet browser you use. And now it's time for the games. This is the only emulator where the BIOS comes with the emulator. You don't have to put the BIOS on like the GPS phone and the PSX, the PlayStation. So go to Google and type in the old computer. Here it is right here. The old computer. It's all one word. I'll put in the more info tab. It's actually a site to get ROMs and stuff. So it should be the first one right here. Just double click. Go to enter site. This is a very legit site. I use it for a lot of stuff. Well, this is like all the old emulators, like the N64 and the NES and the Super Nintendo, stuff like that in the MAME. So just click on any Nintendo NES, and here are the Nintendo ROM downloads. So this is legit. This is the picture of the controller. And now scroll down. NES ROM selections. I don't know, like let's go to M through Z. Let's try to find Super Mario. Oops. Here we go. Here, Mario Brothers.zip. Alright. Now, let's click on that. I guess we can just download it. Now, once that's downloaded in WinRAR, okay, just drag that to your desktop, like so. Now we're going to use a tool which I showed you in a previous video, how to SSH in your iPod / iPod Touch. So just go to WinSCP. There should be some kind of thing saved there, like a file, like a profile. It's going to find your iPod, hopefully. Alright, good. Type in the password Alpine, A-L-P-I-N-E, Alpine, in all lowercase. Click OK. Wow, you just SSH in your iPod Touch / iPhone. No, but that's not what the video is about. So click back once. Alright, you're gonna come to a screen with a bunch of folders. Click on mobile. Alright. And in mobile, you're gonna go to media. And in media, you see a folder called ROMs. Capital R, capital O, capital M, lowercase s. If you don't have that, please create a folder called ROMs, and I'll put how to spell that in the more info tab. Alright, now I already have a bunch of emulators saved in here, like I have NES, but the NES folder does not come inside, come with the emulator, so you need to create a separate folder. So just like so, click new folder, go to your desktop, in all caps, type in NES, like that. Just drag it into the ROMs folder in your WinSCP. Alright, now I'm going to open up my folder, and it has a bunch of games on it. So just take that game which you downloaded a little earlier, like Mario Brothers.zip. I already have that game, but see that game right there? Just drag it into this folder, the NES folder, on your emulator. Like that. Okay, I mean, like, just drag it in your NES folder. Because I have a bunch of games in here, you can see that. Now, just to show you that the emulator works on your iPod, okay, I'm going to go to my NES emulator. It should be like a picture of a mushroom. Where is it? Here it is, mushroom. Alright. Okay, here are your games. Now I'm just going to type in, click on Super Mario Brothers 3, which I downloaded earlier. Start new game, and it's working. There's the controller for you. There's Mario. Super Mario Brothers 3. It works. It's legit. And just press start, and you can move Mario with the control pad. Oops. Click A, and there's the level. Now, I hope this video has helped. And if you do not know how to use WinSCP, please look at my first video, which I posted. I'm new to YouTube. My name is V1. Constructive criticism would be appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and rate. And I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.